Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 10. A converging lens of focal length 5 cm forms a virtual image which is 10 cm from the lens. How far is the lens from the object? A. 2.0 cm, B. 3.3 cm, C. 5.0 cm, D. 10.0 cm, and E. 15.0 cm. Now we have a converging lens. A converging lens is a convex lens. This is a converging lens. Now, the focal length of this converging lens is 5 cm. F is equals to 5 cm, and it forms a virtual image. Now, this virtual image is 10 cm. That's V from the lens. We're now asked to find the object distance, which is U. Now, because this image is virtual, we're going to be using this formula: 1 over F is equals to 1 over U minus 1 over V, being a virtual image formed. Now, that is 1 all over 5 is equals to 1 over U minus 1 all over 10. 1 over 5 is equals to, now LCM will be 10U. U in 10U will give us 10. 10 times 1 will give us 10, minus 10 in 10U will give us U. U times 1 will give us U. Now cross multiplying, we'll have 10U is equals to 50 minus 5U. Collecting like terms, we'll have 15U is equals to 50. Now U will be equals to 50 all over 15, and so U is equals to 3.3 cm. So the object distance is 3.3 cm. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.